Alright, you guys. I'm about to go to Old Navy. Gotta run a couple of errands, and Old Navy's in the same parking lot, so. What is that? But I just flat ironed my hair yesterday, so. So yeah, I'm gonna put some moisturizer on. As you can see, I'm having a flare up on my forehead. So I'm gonna use some Clinique Moisture Surge and spray some sunscreen on and get in the car, and I'll pick you guys back up when I get to the store. I feel real pretty today. So after work, I put on some clothes. I actually flat ironed my hair and it looks really, really nice. I just got to pull it back in the ponytail because it's windy out. Alright, we're going into Old Navy for the first try-on haul in the dressing room. I'm just looking around the store to see what they have for spring and summer. They had a lot of stuff, but I noticed that they didn't have a lot of my size in store, only online, which is fine. I was going to get this denim dress, but I didn't see it in my size. I like those two-piece sets, but they did not have my size in stock. I think the biggest size I saw was a 2X in those sets. So hopefully I can find something like that before the summer ends, because I really like the sets that they have been coming out with lately. Okay, so I'm about to head to the dressing room. I'm going to show you my body type. Is a 3X jogger. It was a little tight. I didn't get them because I don't need any more joggers. I just wanted to see how this style fits. I didn't like the zipper detail either. Here, I did like this dress, and I like the color on me. I like the cut, but it could have been bigger. But this was the only 3X they had in stock. The back didn't look too flattering either. I just hadn't smoothed it out. And I don't have on the proper undergarments either at the same time. But I did like the pattern on this. Next, I'm going to try on a 2X. But it's a maxi, and it was a lot more flattering. It's probably because it's black. I did not like the shoulder detail. I don't know if there was a detail of the shoulders or if the shoulders are just not cut in a great fashion. I will show you in a second what I'm talking about. But this fit perfectly. It's a 2X. It's just the way the sleeves were scrunching. Now these are some 3X26 pants, cargo pants. I've been looking for some cargo pants for the longest. I can never find them in my size. I just took a chance on these. They do fit, but not fit great. I can can button them, I can zip them, but as you can see the pockets are wide open, so that means I need to go up a size. These are on clearance for $13.49, but I still didn't get them. I'm not the type of person who would buy something that's a little bit too small and say I'm gonna fit into it later. Here we're at Torrid. I decided to hop on over to Torrid since it was in the same area. Showing my body again. This is the next day. I went back and I went to Torrid, so that's why you see me changing shirts and stuff. But yeah, this is ugly. This is the Belle Isle line, and it's terrible.
Now, I actually like this. Let's see.
Now, it's very much so giving bananas in pajamas. But I actually like it for a vacation look. And I will put on a crop top on it. Now, here's another Belle Isle collection dress. This is giving maternity. And I just gave birth. This is what this is giving, and it's a no. I just don't think this type of dress is flattering on my figure. Now, this I love. I think I'm just falling in love with stripes. And yeah, it's a 426. It was very comfy. It's stretching a little bit around the pocket, so I will go up to a 5. But it's not really that necessary. And it's a good transitional piece for fall and spring, because you can turn it into a halter, or just keep the straps in. And it didn't look too bad from behind either, so I really like that. Next, I tried on this pink number. I liked the length of it, but I didn't like the shape of it. It actually made me feel like it made me look a little bit bigger, and actually made me look pregnant. And we're not speaking that into this word. All right. Yeah, so sorry about the bad angles. I need to just go ahead and invest in tripod. I didn't like how my boobs were sitting in it as well. Now here, stripes is just grown on me. This is a romper. And I feel like if the blue set that I had was like this, I would love it even more. It's a lot of room, a lot of stretch. I'm actually going to sit down in a second and show you. Like, all the room you get, you don't have to worry about it splitting down the middle or being too tight. It was very loose fitting and soft material. I just did not like the color on me. It kind of washed me out. But yeah, I think this was a nice little option for a summer vacation as well. But this is the end of the video. If you would like to see more concise videos of trying on, tell me what store you want to see, or what brands you would like to see, what types of clothing you would like to see. For those who have apron bellies like me, I thank you so much for watching.